Hi YouTube, Ninja's A here. Here's my bench. I'm about to show you guys a Corncopia pack opening. I got that dirk right there. But let's see what I can get. I've been waiting for this pack all day. It's 9:51, so I've been playing for about 40 minutes probably. A little more, a little less. Look at all these. Oh my gosh. Okay. Just grinded out the live event just to get this. Come on. Let me get something good. Only a couple more. No. Well, that sucks. I got a couple golds, but I honestly expected to get more. But, what could I do with those? I guess put them into a set to get Paul George. Well, I got 10 maze tokens, so I just need 30 more. Guess that works. Did it give me one I needed? Okay, Tobias Harris. So all I need is Jonathan Simmons, and I'll get an elite. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, like the video, comment below what you think about it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye, YouTube.